Good morning, everybody. This is Volume Quiz 1 Answers. Okay, below is a square pyramid. If I fill the shape below with water, how much space would be occupied by the water? Basically, find the volume. Okay, so there's a couple things we need to know. For a pyramid, the pyramid formula, volume formula, is going to be base times height divided by 3. Now, the prism volume is going to be base times height. And in both cases, the big B is the area of the base. Area of the base. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll figure out the area of the base, because this is going to be a pyramid. And if I know that it's a square pyramid, I know that all of these side lengths are equal to each other. Therefore, I also know that this is going to be 3 yards as well. So the big B is going to be, well, first step, we'll figure out solve for big B, which is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. Second step, multiply by h, the height, how tall the pyramid is, and it's 5 yards, so it's going to be 9 times 5, which is equal to 45. And last step, divide by 3. So 45 divided by 3 is going to give me 15. So it's 15 yards cubed. So solve for the area of the base, multiply by the height, and then divide by 3. Okay, now we're going to do problem 2, which is not a pyramid, but it's a prism. So we're going to use this formula here. The area of the base times the height. So step 1, solve for B. And this triangle here, the area of this triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. And the base is 12. The height of the triangle is going to be 8. And I need to divide by 2. So 8 times 12 is going to be 96. Divided by 2 is equal to 48. And now, step 2, multiply by h, by the height. So then I have 48, and I need to multiply that by 20. And that's going to be 960 centimeters cubed, which is B. So these two, the only difference is we're going to divide by 3 in the end. Solve for B, multiply the height, divide by 3. For here, for prisms, solve for B and multiply it by height, and that's all you got to do. You only divide by 2 because the area of the triangle, or the base here, is a triangle, and we need the area of a triangle formula. Last one, it's a little bit tricky. So I like to draw a picture. If you want to draw the Cheerios box, start with a rectangle, and then draw 3 lines extending from that rectangle, and then connect those lines. There's a good 3D figure. So the width is going to be 7 inches. The height is 15 inches. And we're trying to figure out this, the length. And I know that the volume is equal to 945 inches cubed. So, in a rectangular prism, if I just multiply these 3 numbers, I'll get 945. So I could have something like this. 7 times 15 times x is going to be equal to 945. So I'm just going to solve for x. I just need to multiply the 7 times 15 first. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 10 is 70. 105. So it's going to be 105. X is equal to 945. Now it's just going to be a one-step equation. Divide both sides by 105. These cancel. And x, I believe, is equal to 6. Let me think. Wait, no, 9. X is equal to 9 inches. Now, so I know that that's my answer, but I'm going to make sure I can check by multiplying 7 times 15 times 9. Should be 945. I'm substituting in my answer back into x. 7 times 15 is 105. And if I multiply it by 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 100 is 900. Yes, it does check out. Good. So the answer is 9 inches. Thank you, everybody.